Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use equal instruction in Omron PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my CX Programmer 9.5 version and click on Direct Online. If your PLC is connected with your PC, that will be automatically search and connected and upload program in your PC. So as per seen, our upload program is successfully upload. Click OK and make it little bigger that easy to visible and seen. This is my old program inside the PLC that is now uploaded. So this, if we like to be delete this one, we can delete and we can make a new program. An example, I will choose my one input address. For example, x0.0 I will choose and I will make just increment and go to the find instructions, and here in increment and decrement section we will choose this increment first command and click OK. And where you like to be make increment, I will choose counter, for example C0, and click OK. And for this one x0, if you use this counter, you have to be change this one differentiate and click only just up, because of if you not use this rising edge, that increment will be very high signals, and here will be you cannot never compare any command. What we are doing, we will make increment at C0 and we will make comparison with C0 value, and after we will check the our command equal. So in next row, one more bit I will choose. For example, x1 I will choose, and same command I will use. Go to the instructions. Now I will choose decrement, because of if I give the increment, after also I need decrement, because of we have to be compare and test. So this one I will choose and same counter I will choose C0 and click enter. Now one circuit our complete. If from the field x0 is a limit switch or sensor, whatever which is connected with your hardware, it's give the signal to our C0, and here comes increments. And after when signal came at x0.1, after this counters go to the decrement, decrease the value means. In the next row, we will choose any close contact, for example x5 I will choose, and I will use the command data compare, and in data compare we will choose this first command 300 and click OK. And here is asking for address which you like to be compare. For example, I need C0 compare with my any data register. I will write, for example, D0 to comparison. And when this data will be compare, after I will make one output on, for example 100.0 I will make it on and off. So our compare instruction will be work according to the this counter. So this program almost is completed, and I will download this program and click OK. Make sure any problems and download the program and click OK and click yes, and your PLC will be going to on. And now as per seen, there is nothing any value at C0, and here we have to be compare, we have to be put some counting values. For example, I will set the value, for example 10. I say when my data register D0 will equal with 10, after my output needs to be on. So I give the signal at my x0.0 to increase the value at C0. Now you can see value is increased at 11. We decided here C0 when equal with 10, after our output needs to be on. An example, you have a connected this sensors with the motor of conveyor. When conveyor runs, after there is some bottles running or buckets running or any bags running, and this sensor detects the bags, and this counter counts the value. And you decided here when my bags will be 10, after I need to be open this motor. Second, that's this wall or actuator, what is inside, maybe anything can be possible which is connected in your hardware. For example, now I decrease the value, for example at the C0. After you can see this is too many values goes at the C0. Why? Because or we make mistake here, we not put it here any rising edge. So we will stop the execution and go to the differentiate, and here we will make same like up. This is can be called in other language rising edge, and here is in this software also this is can be one pulse, same like look like different languages says in the programming. So I will again this download program to the PLC, and let's check OK and make it yes. PLC now go to the on, and here we will see 0 must be clear the value first, because of there is a very long value came at the C0. We put 0, and first it will be reset. This is go reset. By the move command also you can move the value at the 0. Also you can manually from the right click, and after you can go to the set value. But here when you like to be change the value, must be first click at on 0, after right click, and after you go to the set, and after change the value, how much value you like to be put it in the C0 here put. And also if you like to be with the pressing some buttons with the move command, also you can move the value. So now C0 have the 0 value, and this our output is not on. So I give the value at my C0 1 2 3, as will be valued increased 7 8 9, and as will be completed at 10, after our Y100 will be on, and your means which is whatever hardware and running, bags running, packets running or bottles running, that will be completed. After your Y0 will be on. Ons means if you like to be use it here off or on, whatever, that's depend on your logic. You can use it here internal memory relay, and after you can use it here close contact of the any button, and after you can make your relay off. Also they can be used for on, and also can be used for off. So this is the very easy method to use the compare instruction equal with the help of counter or anything you can use with the data registers. Hope guys you will be understand about this command, If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.